to be with you all alone. I've been anticipating. The first time we kissed was breathtaking. And girl, we got a bright future in the making. Oh, when we are together, my heart feels so much better. Oh, girl, I need you and that's no lie. Whenever that we make love, I arrange that you take us. And I'm so glad that I made you mine. Oh, keep that precious smile on your face. Jah will keep you warm and safe. Make it worthwhile, just you and I with love the most I create. Let's start a family and make things great. Cause when and how we met, girl, it's not a mistake. Let me give you some love and affection. You got my attention. You need no correction. May Jah pour blessings in your direction. You got my attention. What an impression. There's something about her. Oh, oh, oh. I just can't do without her. Never had a woman of such virtue. Oh, I give you my love, girl. I got no intentions to hurt you. Hurt you. Stay close to me, don't slip away. With a permits we pray. Wherever I go, you will follow and keep you warm and safe. Make sure the children have health and strength. Cause when I say I love you, that's what I mean. Let me give you some love and affection. You got my attention. You need no correction. May Jah pour blessings in your direction. You got my attention. What an impression. Oh, people say things and that no break you. Girlfriend, I truly appreciate you. Touch the street, every gig